No, doggy.
Is Full in Poopy's car?
Yeah, they're in Poopy's car. Where are they? Where are they, Luke? Are they in a tunnel?
How?
That's a long tunnel, isn't it? Is that a long tunnel, buddy? What do you think? Oh, look!
Looking?
She said Luke. Look. Oh, look, there's another one. What's that, buddy? What's that?
Tunnel. Tunnel.
Tunnel.
Go through tunnel.
Is that Julie and Colt? Ooh.
Go through tunnel.
Do you like that? You want to see it again?
Again?
All right. Again?
Go through tunnel.
Go through tunnel.
Big tunnel.
It is a big tunnel. Say hi, Julie. Hi, Colt. Say hi. Luke, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Poo Poo. Hi, Colt. Looky. Who's driving?
Crossing.
Who is driving?
Crossing.
Is it Julie and Colt?
Cross.
Yeah. Another tunnel. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.